Hi, I'm Julia, a technical service representative at XLDryer. XLDryer manufactures hand dryers in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. We are proud to say we make the only hand dryer that is made in the USA certified. We have created a series of videos to help you maintain your XL hand dryer. This video will assist you with cleaning your XLERATOrsync's HEPA filter. It is quick and easy to clean the pre-filter that protects large particles or debris entering the HEPA filter. For demonstration purposes, we are not under the sink cabinet. You will need to unlock the lower cabinet to access the dryer box. The HEPA filter is in the front of the box. Disconnect power to the unit. Remove the pre-filter by pressing down on the clamps. Using a damp cloth, wipe the exterior and interior of the pre-filter. At this time, you may want to assess the condition of the HEPA filter. In an area of heavy usage, we recommend replacing the HEPA filter once a year. If the unit has been installed for less than a year, discoloration of the filter does not necessarily mean the filter needs to be replaced. Replace and fasten the pre-filter. Restore power and test for proper operation. Thank you for your interest, and if this video still leaves you with questions, please call our customer service department at XLDryer at 800-255-9235.